Making sense of good and well. Grammar made easy. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that both new learners and seasoned speakers of English face: the usage of good and well. Understanding the difference between these two words can seem tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to use them correctly and confidently. Let's start by understanding the basics. Good is an adjective, meaning it describes nouns or pronouns. For example, she is a good dancer. On the other hand, well is an adverb, which means it modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. For instance, she dances well. Now that we have the basics down, let's look at some common errors and how to correct them. Incorrect: she sings good. Correct: she sings well. Here, the verb sings should be modified by the adverb well, not the adjective good. However, English is a quirky language, and it has exceptions. The difference between good and well is not always straightforward. For example, when talking about health, we use well. Like when you say, "I don't feel well." It's practice time. Let's apply what we've learned so far. 1. He plays the guitar, blank, good, well. 2. That's a, blank, good, well, painted picture. 3. She didn't feel, blank, good, well, yesterday. Put your answers in the comments below and we'll review them in the next video. Thank you for joining me today in this grammar adventure. Remember, learning a language is a journey, so don't be too hard on yourself. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of using good and well correctly. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Remember, good or well, you're doing great. Happy learning!